Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to use the FN or the globe key. You might be wondering where the FN or the globe key is. Um, this is how the FN or the globe key looks like. It has a symbol of the globe and it's written FN on the key. For the newer versions of the Mac, it's on the left bottom corner of the keyboard. And for the older versions, it might be on the center, in the right side of the keyboard. That's what I've noticed. So, you can run multiple uh, tasks using the FN key. So, to enable it, go to the system preferences and go to keyboard. And here you see this globe symbol, which basically represents the globe key. So here it does nothing. When I press on the globe key, I can actually enable it to run certain tasks. I can, enable it to start dictation. So once I press the globe key twice, as mentioned here, it would start, it would enable dictation. Sorry, not now. Um, when I choose show emoji and symbols and press on the globe key, it would show me the emojis that are available which can be used while texting. And I can also use it to change the input source. So here you see an option called, you see a checkbox here for use F1 and F2, etc. So when you enable that, and when you go to an application and click on the F1 key, which is over here, it would send uh, an F1 signal to the application. But when you have it, turn it, when you have the checkbox turned off, you'll be able to use the special feature that's mentioned about the F1 key, which is basically lowering brightness. So without the checkbox ticked, I'll show you what happens when I press, when I hold on to the F1 key, it decreases the brightness. And if I use the F2 key, it increases the brightness. And when I have this clicked and when I press on the F1 key or the F2 key, it doesn't work. So to use the special features mentioned on the F1 and F2 keys, I'll have to press the Fn key, which is the globe key, and then click on to the F1 key. So I'm doing that. I'm holding on to the Fn key and then pressing on the F1 key. So then only I'm able to access the special features on F1 and F2. So this is why the checkbox is useful. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.